G'day guys, my name's IRO Taz. Welcome back. Last time we welded up some cross braces and some stays to put the seat on. This time I want to actually install this eBay Hump seat on the bike. Just a quick video because I've still got a few things to do, and I do apologise for missing last week, but Sheffield got about 217 millimetres of rain in 24 hours. The place flooded. Up at work was at risk of flooding. I just had to look after house, home and adult rather than build bikes. But I'm back. It's going to be a quick video, but I'm pretty keen to put this on the GS500 build today, just so that we make some progress. Guys, the eBay seat comes with some rubber mounting blocks. We're going to get rid of them. We don't need them. I want it to sit right on the frame. So out they come, and we'll get rid of those. It comes with a tongue to go in under the tank. I have messed around and I've pre-bent that, hence why it looks a bit rough. It usually actually goes the other way, but because there's only a narrow rim on this tank, I've flipped it over and I've just used some pliers to bend it to shape so it just slides in underneath the tank. It will fit perfectly there, and if we just muscle those, it'll open out enough to just drop down over the tank. I did a bit of preparatory work. Let's get it on the bike. Guys, I've just got a paint pen, and we're just going to put some paint drops on those studs and then push it down, and it'll mark where we need to drill. You can see pretty clearly where I need to drill. So I don't have to put too much pressure on the seat, just going to pull these out and replace them with longer bolts to act as studs, so it'll pull it together a little bit easier.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. taste the pain. It's like candy canes, it makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Alright, I'm going to sacrifice a $2 screwdriver to get this out. Got it. Yeah, it didn't actually wreck it that much. Right. Alright, so you can see they're almost twice as long. Right, so just going to drill holes. Pot rivet. Yeah, that's going to hold it so much better than those staples. So that turned out to be an absolute epic, and I'm not 100% happy with how it is, but it's certainly going to do the job, and anything that I'm not happy with will be hidden by the frame. I've got a couple of M6 wing nuts to go with the M6 bolts I installed. So you can see I've put the wing nuts here, the holes in the cross brace that I drilled. That's it, pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. Guys, that's the eBay hump seat install completed. Managed to bend it up over the frame, so it sort of fills in that gap reasonably well. It was a bit of an epic to replace those studs with longer bolts, but we got it done. The only downer was that I had a couple of shavings that had fallen off the drill on the bench and they've nicked the cover. Just be really careful with your seat. The vinyl is so thin, it's crepe paper thin. It doesn't take much at all to nick it, and it's just frustrating. I managed to seal those very small holes back up with some clear nail polish, but it did really annoy me that it happened. in itself, I'm pretty happy with how the seat looks. I think it's come up great. And once we paint or powder coat the frame and sort of slim the rest of the bike down and do all the work that we plan to do on it, it'll look good. I'm pretty happy with it. I was just a bit annoyed that I put a mark in the cover, even though I was being so careful not to. Yeah, eBay seat, generic, universally doesn't fit anything, so you've got to do a bit of work on it. But all in all, I am pretty happy with it. I cannot wait to get on to filling in these sides. You see a lot of people use plastic or race number plates. I plan on doing something a little bit different, and hopefully it'll improve the look and fill in that and look pretty great. But that's in next week's video. If you liked this video, guys, make sure you give it the thumbs up. If you could subscribe. 86% of you that watch my videos don't subscribe. I'm really badly trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so I can move on to the next level. If you could go down, guys, and please subscribe, that would be awesome. Because if you'd like to support the channel, go to buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz. All my socials are iRideTaz. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, support. Till I see you next time, where we work on this gap here. I'm out.